Hey, my beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. How y'all doing? Oh my goodness. I promised y'all a long time ago that I will be back to y'all with this Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Kisser Lip Care Set, and let you know what to do with it, okay? If it's worth getting. But when push came to a shove, I had to come on through. Normally my lips are a-okay. I never have any issues with my lips cracking and all of that. But y'all, I've been going into overtime on rehearsals on my saxophone. So if you didn't know, I am a saxophone player, and I switched from the synthetic reeds to the cane wood reeds and back and forth like so. And when I went back to the cane wood reeds, my lips are taking a beating right now. So they are a little bit, I can't say crusty, can I? Well, sort of, kind of. So I'm going to finally bust open my lip care set from Fenty Beauty and see what we got. Now in the box here, let me just show you what it has on here. We have the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick and also Hint Hint Mini Luscious Lip Balm. That's what's included in here. And they got it nicely packaged, so I'm struggling trying to get out of this. And y'all know I have the doggies outside, which they are busybodies about this time of the night. I think they're afraid of the dark, basically. Okay, finally. And that is what it looks like all out of the box. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the little scrubber here. And I just guess you take this and scrub your lips. So let's do it. Well, that's really not abrasive. Well, it gets a little bit more grittier, like the further I went down in there with it. So, anywho. Okay, so that's that. Did it help? I think it tackled it. I feel just a little bit more right there, so maybe I should. I don't want to scrub too much because, you know, scrubbing your lips can irritate them too, so. That feels good. I hope that was edible, because I did. I did lick my lips, which is kind of a habit. They feel better. That feels better. Perfect. And now I have the little lip gloss or balm. I like that. So girl, this is a keeper. I'm gonna keep this on my to buy list from Fenty Beauty. This nice little Pro Kisser, I think that's what you call it. Pro Kisser Lip Care Set. Absolutely adorable. And you know, just a tiny size, but it works out perfectly. There we go. Yes, girl, yes. I love it. So try it out, check it out. I'll have the link below for you. I got mine at Sephora, so check it out and let me know how you love it, okay? I think you will. If you're not into making your own lip scrubs, now sometimes just regular sugar can be rough on the lips, so I use brown sugar when I use it, but this will take the place of that. Now I don't have to work as hard. You just pick this up, okay? I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, just hanging out with you for the moment. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. If you enjoyed today's video, if you enjoyed hanging out with me, or if you just like me, okay, just like your girl, drop a like on the video, or please drop me some kissy red lips down in the comments. That'll be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. I'm signing out. I'll see y'all on the next one. But remember to always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. And I'll see ya. Bye.